After they lost the moon race, the Soviet Union had to face a difficult truth. They had been ahead for years, but in the end, they failed to land on the moon. The giant N-1 rocket that was supposed to take them there exploded 4 times in a row. The program was quietly canceled, and the dream of a Soviet cosmonaut walking on the lunar surface died with it. For many people inside the program, this was a bitter disappointment. They had worked so hard for so long only to watch America achieve what they had dreamed of doing first. But instead of giving up, the Soviets changed their direction. They stopped chasing spectacular firsts and started focusing on long-term goals in space. They began building space stations. First came the Salyut stations in the 1970s, and then in 1986 they launched Mir, the first long-duration space station in history. Mir was a real achievement. It stayed in orbit for 15 years and became a home for cosmonauts who lived and worked there for months at a time. Some crews stayed on Mir for over a year. It proved that humans could survive and do useful science in space for extended periods. The Soviets also kept improving the Soyuz spacecraft. Even today, Soyuz is still one of the safest and most reliable ways to reach space. It has carried hundreds of astronauts from many different countries. In 1988, they achieved one more impressive milestone. They launched the Buran space shuttle. Unlike the American shuttle, Buran could fly completely by itself, without any crew on board. It successfully orbited the Earth and landed perfectly on its own. Many experts believed Buran was technically more advanced than the American version. Unfortunately, Buran only flew once.